Hello students, hope you are all having good time. In our today's class we are discussing electric current. In our today's class we shall discuss the working of a battery and EMF. EMF means electromotive force. Let us discuss. First we shall discuss the working of a battery. Before going to that, we shall see what a battery consists of. A battery consists of two metal plates, and between the metal plates you have electrolyte. Electrolyte is a chemical which has ions. Now let us say these are the two plates inside a battery. Now you have electrolyte in between the two plates of the battery. This electrolyte is a chemical in which the ions are present. Now there are two types of ions present in it. One is positive ions and other one are negative ions. Now what this electrolyte will do is, it will push all the positive ions to one plate and it will push negative ions to another plate. By applying a force on them called Fc. Let us say the force applied by them is, force applied by the electrolyte on the ions be Fc, that is chemical force. So all the positive ions move to one plate and all the negative ions move to another plate. So this acts as anode and this acts as cathode. Now this continues, this filling up of the plates continues till the plate is completely filled with positive charge, and this filling up of negative charge continues till the plate is completely filled with negative charge. So one will become positive electrode, another will become negative electrode. This is what happens. Now as this plate is completely filled, what happens is, further it doesn't take any positive charge because there is F electric force acting on from the other direction. So Fc will be acting this-ward and Fe will be acting in the opposite direction, that is electric force will be acting in the opposite direction. Here also what happens is, it does not further take any further negative charges because it is completely filled. Now if you try to put any negative charge further, this Fe will repel it. Now the battery that we buy will be in this stage where Fe will be balanced by Fc. So this is what is the stage at which we buy a battery. Now what happens when we connect this battery to a conductor? Let us say this is the positive plate, this is a negative plate in which negative charges are present. When you connect this to a conductor, what happens is, the electrons in the conductor get attracted towards the positive plate. Here the electrons get attracted, electrons in the conductor get attracted. As a result, what happens is, the electric force exerted by this plate decreases because now it is no more acting as a positive plate because the negative charges are trying to dominate. So what will happen is, the Fc, the chemical force within the battery, will try to push these negative charges towards negative plate. When there is a repulsion between negative and negative, one electron is pushed out into the conductor. So this is how constant potential difference is maintained between positive and negative plates. It keeps on sending the chemical force which is present inside the battery. It takes the negative ions and pushes it towards negative plate so that one electron is pushed out of the negative plate. Here this process continues till Fc and Fe will be at equilibrium. So this is how a battery works. Let us look into the next topic, that is EMF. EMF is called electromotive force. Let us say you have two plates of a battery here. When you connect this battery to a conductor, what happens is an electric field is set up in the direction from negative to positive. This is the direction of the from positive terminal to negative terminal. This is the direction of the electric field. What happens is the electrons start moving from negative terminal to positive terminal within the battery. Now, outside the battery, what happens is the electrons are moved from negative terminal to positive terminal. Inside, what happens is the same number of negative ions are pushed from positive plate to negative plate. The negative charges are pushed from positive plate to the negative plate. So here Fc is doing some work on the ions and moving it from one place to another. It is applying some force and it is moving the negative ions from positive plate to negative plate. So Fc is doing a work. Let us say the work done by Fc is equal to Fc into D. Now, this work done per unit charge, is called EMF, that is electromotive force. The unit of EMF is same as potential difference, that is volt. Work is joule by charge is coulomb. So joule per coulomb is volts. So this is called EMF of a battery. If it is outside, you are calling, if positive charges are moving, then you are calling it as potential difference. Here it is carrying the negative charges from one plate to another plate within the battery. This is called EMF. So that's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.